students, I am Ayush and welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Narayan Brothers. Today we will do the question number 3 of exercise 8.1 of chapter number 8 trigonometry of class 10th. Question number 3 says that if sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So we have given that we have sin A is equals to 3 upon 4. We know the identity of sine, which is P upon H. And for angle A, perpendicular is BC is equals to BC. And hypotenuse is always the largest side or opposite side to right angle. So which is AC. Now since this is a ratio, not our correct fraction, this is our ratio. So ratio is always in the form of 3k or it is a constant multiplied by them. So we have BC is equals to 3k and AC is equals to 4k. Where k is greater than 0 or constant. It means that k is a positive number and it is a constant. So by this we can find all the trigonometry ratios, but we have to find only cos A and tan A. But to find cos A and tan A, we have to find the length of AB also. So using Pythagoras theorem, we will find the length of AB. So by using Pythagoras theorem, square of AC is equals to square of AB plus square of BC, or we have to find the length of AB. So square of AB is equals to square of AC minus square of BC, or AB is equals to square root of square of AC minus square of BC is equals to, what is the value of AC? 4k minus value of BC 3k. So it is in the form of square. 16k square minus 9k square is equals to 16 minus 9. Since the unit is same, so we will simply subtract this. So 16 minus 9 is 7k square is equals to 7 root 7k. Now, according to question, we have to find cos A and tan A. So, cos A is equals to V upon H is equals to, it is angle A. So, for angle A, base is AB. So, AB and hypotenuse is always constant, which is AC is equals to, we found that AB is root 7k and AC is our 4k. So k and k cancelled out is equal to 7 upon root 7 upon 4, and tan A is equals to P upon B is equals to, for angle A, it is perpendicular and this is base. So BC upon AB. Length of BC is 3k. length of AB is root 7k. K and K cancelled out is equals to 3 upon root 7. So we got the answer. Cos A is equals to root 7 upon 4 and tan A is equal to 3 upon root 7. Okay. If you like my video, so please like and subscribe our video and YouTube channel. Thank you.